Who remembers chemistry? Science in high school was boring. The teacher would stand at the front of the class, lecture you about a topic, and then you're expected to be engaged with that content. Our goal is to create a way of learning that steps away from the auditory style of teaching that is usually used and to move to something that is interactive and visually appealing to students. The Chem Table was inspired from existing reactable projects such as the interactive table tennis trainer 3000. These projects focus on tracking physical objects in a space, which is the sort of technology we were looking to implement in the Chem Table. Our Chem Table currently uses Art Toolkit for image tracking and Unity for all the functionality and display. Our team have developed an interactive chemistry table, which allows teachers to introduce early chemistry concepts to high school students in a way where they are able to visualize how elements can be combined to create compounds. The Chem Table allows users to play with elements which are represented on blocks, and when a single element is on the table, it will display information about that element. When two or more elements come into contact with each other, they will display information about the new compound they have created. With a specialized block, users can display a video, images, chemical structure, and a summary of that compound. Our team had many ideas for what the Chem Table could become, but after running through various user testing and feedback from class discussion, the project evolved and a more meaningful interaction started to emerge. The user interface changed various amounts of times. As with many of our prototyping sessions, we realized that we were missing interactions or some interactions weren't needed. So, what does the Chem Table look like and how does it work? The first thing a new user will see is a square blinking in the middle of the table. When a user places an element on the table, relevant information about that element will be displayed on screen as well as an animation of its electron configuration. If a user places a second block on the table, relevant information will pop up. However, if they put the blocks together, it will show the user compound that those blocks make. With the Chem Table, users can learn and explore for themselves about elements and what elements can be used to create compounds, in a way that is very interactive, fun, and steps away from the usual boring classroom environment. Thank you for listening.